Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best electric clothes dryer. When winter comes around and hanging your clothes outside to dry is no longer an option, the best heated clothes airers can be a laundry lifesaver. Taking a simple concept that's been around for centuries and adding a mains-powered heating element is a simple solution to an evergreen problem, and it can potentially save you money on your energy bills to boot. In this video, we will recommend a range of electric clothes dryers to suit any home. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth electric clothes dryer in our list is the KASYDoFF Portable Clothes Dryer, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Avoid making unlimited trips to the laundromat and get a fresh and dry load of laundry at home by investing in the KASYDoFF Portable Clothes Dryer. This dryer provides the high drying efficiency associated with full-size dryers. It works well to quickly dry everything from towels to bulky down jackets, shirts, socks, and jeans. The best part is that, unlike tumble dryers, it won't wrinkle or get damaged from the high temperature and tumbling. Moving on, the intelligent temperature control system in the dryer is designed to guarantee maximum safety and security. You can set the temperature anywhere from 50 to 70 degrees depending on the type and quantity of laundry. In case of overheating or fire-retardant materials, the intelligent temperature control technology will shut down automatically to prevent damage to clothes or a potential fire hazard. But you do need to make sure you don't overstuff it, otherwise it'll not function anymore. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a compact, portable, and convenient dryer. The fourth electric clothes dryer in our list is the Xiaqing Portable Clothes Dryer, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. When you're caught in wet and muggy weather, drying your clothes can be a hassle, but the Xiaqing Portable Clothes Dryer is here to help. The size of this model is a little smaller at 24 by 17.3 by 55 inches, which does make it somewhat more practical if you plan on taking your dryer on the road. The smaller size also helps considering it's not portable. What's more, this one has 2 levels with 3 racks in each one. Probably because of this, the company has emphasized its use as a clothes storage unit when not in use as a heated dryer. In terms of its construction, the bright blue Oxford cloth cover has precise stitching for strength and durability, and the heated rails are constructed of high-quality stainless steel with a capacity of 15 kilograms. We would also like to highlight that this heated clothes dryer doesn't have adjustable heat. Instead, the 360-degree convection fan provides a constant temperature. It also uses a PTC high-efficiency heating plate to dry clothes quickly and wrinkle-free, just like a tumble dryer. This also helps to keep clothes undamaged and feeling soft. Now, do keep in mind that the instructions are a bit confusing, so we recommend sticking with the pictures as they're way easier to follow. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a durable dryer that's made of high-quality materials. The third electric clothes dryer in our list is the COSTWAY Compact Laundry Dryer, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. If there's ever talk about tumble dryers, it would be incomplete without the COSTWAY Compact Laundry Dryer. As its name implies, the COSTWAY Portable Clothes Dryer excels at portability. This dryer only weighs 60.6 pounds, which can be moved with ease and without putting too much strain on your back. Its compact dimensions allow it to fit into small apartment spaces such as your kitchen or bathroom. Say goodbye to the hassle of individually hanging each item of laundry on a clothesline or rack. You can simply dump your week's worth of laundry into the COSTWAY Electric Portable Clothes Dryer's drum and start the drying process with just a couple of button presses. Moving on, this dryer is designed with maximum noise reduction in mind. Its working loudness is restricted to 62 decibels by its silent, tumbling architecture. This means that you can keep it in noisy, frequently used places without having to worry about the noise interfering with your work. These silent drying characteristics also make the dryer ideal for late night or overnight drying. On another note, this dryer takes a while to dry, which makes sense with it being so small, but it gets the job done. It takes more time than a normal-sized dryer. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone living in a small apartment and doesn't have space to hang their clothes for drying. The second electric clothes dryer in our list is the BLACK+DECKER Compact Dryer, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Enjoy the bliss of home-done laundry with a BLACK+DECKER Compact Dryer. Unlike other dryers currently available in the market, this one comes with a built-in eco mode that adjusts heat sensors according to the moisture content present in the clothes. It starts with cold air and gradually switches to hot air for effective drying, all while reducing carbon emissions in the process. Beyond performance, the powerful 1,400-watt dryer machine has 4 settings for a variety of laundry loads. You can select warm or hot settings for heavy clothes and drapes, while the airflow setting gives your daily wear a soft, comfortable feel. It also has a cool drying option for Eco Mode, which reduces energy consumption. Plus, the automatic overheat protection protects your clothes as well as the appliance from even the slightest heat damage. Now, despite its large capacity, the whole thing folds flat for storage purposes. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a powerful dryer with a large capacity. The best electric clothes dryer in our list is the LG Smart Electric Dryer, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. If you're looking for the most bang for your buck, the LG Smart Electric Dryer won't disappoint. At first glance, there's so many settings on the LG dryer you might think you need a degree from MIT to just get it working. After taking a step back, you'll see it's got all the basic settings covered, and the others are self-explanatory for the most part. The cycles are displayed on a dial that clicks and dings when turned back and forth. The included options are cotton or normal, towels, permanent press or casual delicates, heavy-duty, jumbo dry, antibacterial, low-temperature dry, bedding, turbo steam, steam sanitary, and download. You can also control the time, adjust the heat, manage wrinkles, set signals, and remotely start loads depending on the setting. These options are found to the right on an LED display. For such a rugged machine, we were surprised at how lightweight it felt, meaning if you opt for the pedestal, be sure to keep some detergent in the drawer to help balance it a bit. It has a sliding lid that opens to reveal some shallow pockets, matching the twin wash machine. You could probably store the coins you find in your jeans before you wash them, but this feature doesn't seem to be much more than an aesthetic one. Now, while the number of settings can be dizzying, one thing is certain: it's got a cycle for anything you might throw at it. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for buyers who are willing to pay extra for great features. And there you have it, folks, our best electric clothes dryers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next electric clothes dryer roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.